Walmart is a multinational retail corporation that was founded by Sam Walton in 1962. It operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores. Walmart is known for offering a wide variety of products at competitive prices and has become one of the largest retailers in the world. To create an account on Walmart in 2024, you may follow these steps, although the exact process might slightly differ based on the advancements in technology and user interface. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Locate and click tap on the Sign In or Create Account button. 3. You will be directed to the account creation page. Enter your basic information such as your full name, email address, and a strong password. 4. Provide additional details like your phone number, address, and date of birth if required. 5. Select your country and preferred language for better navigation through the website or app. 6. Opt in or opt out of receiving promotional emails and updates from Walmart depending on your preference. 7. Create a security question and answer for account recovery purposes. 8. Review and agree to the Walmart terms and conditions, as well as their privacy policy. 9. Click tap on the Create Account button to finalize the process. Once your account is created, you can log in to access various features such as online shopping, tracking orders, saving items to a wish list, and more. In 2024, Walmart's business models are expected to continue focusing on innovation, sustainability, and customer-centric strategies. Some key aspects of their business models in 2024 may include: 1. E-commerce expansion. Walmart will likely invest more in their e-commerce platform, Walmart.com, and their online grocery service, Walmart Grocery. This will include enhancing their website and mobile app user experience, improving delivery and pickup services, and potentially acquiring or partnering with other e-commerce companies to expand their reach. 2. Omnichannel approach. Walmart will continue to integrate their online and offline channels seamlessly, providing customers with a consistent experience across all touchpoints. This may involve implementing technologies such as in-store pickup for online orders, digital wallets, and mobile checkout options. 3. Sustainability initiatives. Walmart will likely continue to prioritize sustainability in their operations, including reducing waste, using renewable energy sources, and promoting environmentally friendly products. They may also invest in circular economy models, such as recycling and upcycling, to minimize their environmental impact. 4. Localized supply chains. Walmart will focus on building stronger relationships with local suppliers to ensure a more efficient and sustainable supply chain. This may involve sourcing more products from nearby farms and manufacturers, reducing transportation emissions, and supporting local economies. 5. Artificial intelligence and automation. Walmart will continue to leverage AI and automation technologies to optimize their operations, improve customer experiences, and reduce costs. This may include using AI-powered chatbots for customer service, automating inventory management, and implementing robotics in warehouses and stores. 6. Emphasis on employee well-being. Recognizing the importance of a skilled and motivated workforce, Walmart will likely invest in employee training, benefits, and well-being programs. This may include offering better healthcare options, providing opportunities for career advancement, and fostering a positive work culture. Expansion into new markets and formats. Walmart will continue to explore growth opportunities in emerging markets, such as Asia and Africa, and may experiment with new store formats such as smaller urban stores or specialty concept shops. 8. Partnerships and collaborations. To stay competitive, Walmart will likely form strategic partnerships and collaborations with other companies, particularly in the technology and sustainability sectors. This may involve co-creating innovative products, sharing resources, and leveraging each other's strengths to drive growth. To sell on Walmart in 2024, follow these steps. 1. Research. Begin by researching the Walmart marketplace and understanding its rules, guidelines, and requirements. Familiarize yourself with their selling fees, categories, and product restrictions. 2. Create an account. Set up a Seller Central account on Walmart's website. This will allow you to manage your products, orders, and inventory. 3. Prepare your products. Ensure your products meet Walmart's quality standards and are compliant with their guidelines. This includes having accurate product descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. 4. Register your business. Complete the necessary paperwork to register your business with Walmart. This may include providing your business name, contact information, tax ID, and banking details. 5. Integrate with Walmart. Connect your Sessler Central account to your existing e-commerce platform or inventory management system, if applicable. This will help automate the process of listing and managing your products on Walmart's platform. 6. Submit your products. Create product listings on Walmart's marketplace, including all relevant details such as product title, description, images, and pricing. Make sure to categorize your products correctly and use relevant keywords to improve searchability. 7. Obtain approval. Once you've submitted your products, Walmart will review and approve them. This process may take some time, so be patient and ensure all information is accurate. 8. Manage your store. Monitor your orders, manage inventory, and fulfill orders promptly. Maintain excellent customer service and address any issues or concerns that may arise. 9. Promote your store. Utilize Walmart's advertising tools and promotional opportunities to increase your store's visibility and attract more customers. 10. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review your store's performance and make necessary adjustments to improve sales, such as optimizing product listings, pricing, and promotions. Predicting the top products to sell on Walmart in 2024. 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. As environmental concerns continue to grow, consumers will likely seek out and support products that are made from sustainable materials or have minimal environmental impact. 2. Smart home devices. With the increasing popularity of home automation, smart home devices, such as voice-activated assistants, smart thermostats, and security systems, are expected to remain in high demand. 3. Health and wellness products. The wellness industry is continuously expanding, and consumers are increasingly interested in products that promote a healthy lifestyle, such as fitness trackers, smart scales, and nutritional supplements. 4. Advanced wearable technology. Wearable technology is expected to evolve, offering more sophisticated devices that can track various health metrics, monitor sleep patterns, and even provide medical-grade diagnostics. 5. Electric and hybrid vehicles. As the world shifts towards sustainable transportation, electric and hybrid vehicles are likely to become more popular and accessible, leading to increased demand for related products and accessories. 6. Personalized and 3D printed products. Technological advancements in 3D printing and personalization will likely result in a growing market for customizable products such as clothing, jewelry, and home decor items. 7. Advanced cleaning and sanitizing products. With the ongoing focus on hygiene and cleanliness, products that effectively sanitize and disinfect surfaces and air may see increased demand. 8. Virtual and augmented reality products. As the technology continues to improve and become more affordable, virtual and augmented reality products may become more mainstream, leading to increased demand for gaming, educational, and entertainment-related devices. 9. Advanced cooking and food preparation appliances. With a growing interest in home cooking and meal prepping, appliances that simplify and enhance the cooking experience, such as smart ovens, meal delivery systems, and food preservation devices, may see increased popularity. 10. Robotics and automation products. As robotics and automation technology continues to advance, products such as robotic vacuums, lawn mowers, and personal assistance robots may become more commonplace in households. In 2024, Walmart is expected to offer a variety of payment methods to cater to the diverse needs of its customers. These may include 1. Credit and debit cards. Major credit and debit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover will likely still be accepted. 2. Walmart gift cards and e-gift cards. These will continue to be popular as they allow customers to shop without using cash or a linked bank account. 3. Mobile wallets. Walmart may continue to support mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay for contactless payments. 4. Walmart Pay, the company's own digital wallet app, Walmart Pay, will likely still be available for in-store transactions. 5. Cash. Although the use of cash may decline in favor of digital payment methods, it is expected that Walmart will still accept cash as a payment option in 2024. 6. Online payment methods. Walmart will likely continue to accept various online payment methods such as PayPal, Venmo, and other popular digital payment platforms. 7. Cryptocurrencies. While it is uncertain, there might be a possibility of Walmart accepting cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin as a payment method in 2024, given the growing popularity and acceptance of digital currencies. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this and starting your online earning journey on Walmart.